To improve the sound quality on JBL Tune Flex 2, first you need to open JBL Headphones app. And there's a few different settings that we can try to adjust. So the first one is I would activate noise cancelling and put it on 6. Then we can move to the equalizer. You can switch between presets, and the easiest way to do it is to enter it, activate it, and then there's the specific presets that you can choose according to the method that you want to use. For example, if you like vocals, you can go with the vocals to increase their quality. There's also option to create your own equalizer preset, and you can customize them by clicking on this plus button. Next is in the smart audio and video, there's two different settings that you can change. Audio mode, which increases the quality of the audio, or video mode, which gives you low latency. And the last thing I would change is left and right sound balance. If you prefer to hear more in the right earbud, you can go with it like that. Or if you prefer to the left one, you can go to the left. But for me, I prefer it to set it to 0. And that is basically everything.